Hello to everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to film this video because it's about an announcement that many of you have been waiting for it for a long time. Behind me you can see a Tamiya TT-02. It's a great chassis because it's cheap, you can already buy it with a nice rally body. It's extremely popular and there are a lot of spare parts available on the market. The only thing is that this chassis basically is a touring chassis with no steering angle at all. Yes, you can modify the steering system of this chassis. It requires, let's say, a lot of work, and not always you are able to achieve a good result, or let's say not everyone has the skills or the time in order to work on the chassis in order to, let's say, increase the steering angle. But from today I want to announce that my friend Michał, which is an experienced RC rally driver, has created a conversion kit for the Tamiya TT-02. It's a conversion kit that it's plug and play. You just need to assemble together the components that you find in the kit, and in a few minutes you are able to transform your basic Tamiya TT-02 into something that is able to steer like a proper RC rally car. The kit is available in two sets, the basic one and the advanced one, depending on which components you need. And I would like to ask a bit of patience because no spoiler in this video. I will need a bit of time in order to film a complete review and tutorial of this kit, and soon you will see the complete video here on my YouTube channel. What's great about this RC Rally kit for Tamiya TT-02 is that it's made by RC Rally drivers for RC Rally drivers. So you are going to see something that has a very good design, that makes sense, and something that is going to be extremely useful and practical. Okay guys, so a bit of patience. Just a reminder to leave a like and subscribe, and this time I would like to add to hit the bell button, so once the video of this conversion kit is going to be ready, you're going to be the first to see it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this announcement. If you are excited, spread this news together with your friends, because I think that this kit is going to give access to a lot of people into RC Rally. Okay, I think that's all for now. See you next week for a new video. Ciao!